guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and if you are already subscribed, what a do, fam. So today I'm actually gonna be doing some twists, and I don't know, I'm gonna call them Bebe Michelle twists because I'm following a tutorial by Bebe Michelle. I really like the way her twists look, so I'm gonna try to kind of do the same thing. Now, this is just a disclaimer, I've never done twists with added hair before, so it's gonna be new for me, and yeah. Good thing though is my hair is already parted in sections because I have these mini twists in and I've been wearing them for about a week now, so I am just gonna follow the parting pattern that I already have. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna start in the front, but what I'm gonna do first is, can you guys see how my middle part is a little off center? I'm just gonna fix that. I'm gonna take out these twists in the front and just fix that really quickly. Okay guys, so I fixed the part a little bit. It's still a little slanted, but you know what? I did my best. I'm like, I just woke up. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I really hope my parts aren't too big either on the top, because like I always have that issue when I'm parting. Like I'll start nice and small on the back, but then the top just gets like huge and I don't know why. But yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna start on this side and I'm gonna start on the top. So I'm actually gonna re-moisturize this section with my Kinky Curly Knot today. Leave-in conditioner, just a little bit, because my hair is blown out, by the way. So when I did my mini twist, my hair was blown out. And I just did all the parts, and I'm gonna take my ring off because I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm doing my hair or products, my ring gets super slippery, and I think I need to get it resized because I want to be able to keep it on. Like I hate taking it off because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose it. But I'm just gonna put it right back in this box. So, anyways, and I'm just gonna kind of brush through it. A little bit more on my end, and then I'm gonna go in with my Up North Naturals Twist and Curl Butter. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. I love this stuff. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with my EVIN Edge Control, of course. Whenever I do protective styles, I always use Edge Control. I never use like jam or anything. I just feel like the Edge Control gives it more hold. Alright. And then when I get to the ends, I'm gonna add a bit more edge control. So I'm gonna take a little section. Oh, by the way, the hair that I'm using is a Brazilian Go-Go Curl. I have 3 packs in a color 1B, and then I have 1 pack in color 4. I was gonna try to do like an ombre, but then I realized the color 4 is really not that bright, so it might not be that much of a difference, because as y'all can see, my hair is naturally ombre. Or not naturally ombre. I dyed my hair, but it's ombre. But anyways, it's too early in the morning, y'all. But okay, so this is one of the sections. I don't know if I'm gonna need this much hair. Let me split it in half. So I'm gonna take about this much hair, I guess. I don't know, y'all. And she said, split the hair up in half, and then you're gonna put the hair on top like that. And then you're gonna twist one side with the hair. And guys, I will link her tutorial, obviously. Twist one side, and then you twist the other side a little bit, and then you start to twist. I don't know what I'm doing. And she has it separated like this. So I'm gonna do it just like her. Guys, I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch this video like 12 more times and I'm gonna come back when I figure it out. Okay guys, I am back. My twist is done. I had to watch another video because her like method wasn't working for me. Different methods work for different people, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did. This is what the root is looking like. So I will link the video that I used to kind of help me down below, but I'm also going to explain it in my own words and hope that that helps. So instead of splitting it like up from down, if that makes sense. I split it side to side, side from side. So like that. I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. And now this comb is in the way, so I'm gonna move that. So right in the middle, like so. I'm gonna hold one side of the hair with my all of my fingers except for my pointer and my thumb. I'm gonna use my pointer and my thumb to kind of hold the other side. I'm gonna turn it in whatever direction. And as you can see, I'm turning, I'm letting go, and then I'm grabbing. Turning, letting go, grabbing, turning, letting go, grabbing until you feel that it's tight. Now the biggest thing is you don't want to let go of this because obviously it will unravel. So you're going to take this hand and you're going to hold the twist that you just did with your middle finger and your thumb, or whichever fingers feel most comfortable. And you're going to use this hand, the pointer and the thumb, to twist, or sorry, you're gonna hold this side with the same fingers that you used to hold the other side. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, but you're actually gonna twist it in the same direction that you twisted the other piece, that you twisted the other side, if that makes sense. So I'm doing the same thing. And then when you're done with that, it should look like this. Then you're going to start kind of twisting, and it should look like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It should look like that, kind of like one of those cancer symbols or disease symbols. And you're gonna twist, but while you're twisting, you're gonna keep rotating your hair in the same direction that you twisted it to begin with. So I'm taking these two pieces and I'm completely rotating, then twisting, rotating, twisting. And you're gonna do that super firm, especially if you have thick hair like me and you don't want your hair to obviously pop out. So this is what it's looking like right now. You can add hair, which I will do before I get to the ends. So let me grab another piece of hair. And she said to add it on, you take another piece of hair, which this one's kind of small, and you just kind of add it, and then you're also gonna rotate and twist. Rotate, twist, and that's how you're gonna feed in the hair. Rotate and twist, and I'm gonna keep doing that until I get to my ends, where I'm gonna add edge control. As you see, my ends are frizzy and we don't want them to pop out. We don't want them to pop out. No, I'm kidding. So I put quite a lot on my ends. Put quite a lot of edge control on them babies because we want to control them. And I'm gonna keep twisting, and this might be more the, I'm gonna keep twisting first. And I'm gonna kind of try to get the tangles out, but it's not a huge deal for this style. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna kind of spread out my natural hairs into the synthetic hair so that it's seamless, like so. I'm also trying to make sure that my natural hair is kind of on the inside of where I'm rotating, if that makes sense. But it's gonna pop out a little bit. Like you're still gonna see the natural hair a little bit. As you can see, this twist is a lot smaller than this one, but maybe when I'm done with it, it'll loosen up. I think I need to add more hair actually, so I'm gonna add some more tiny piece. Right. Oh my God. And Bebe Michelle said to like let go of it after you've twisted your length of the hair. I'm not gonna completely let go. Well, like I'm basically gonna let go, but I'm not gonna fully let go just cause, I don't know, that gives me like anxiety. I just feel like the whole thing's gonna unravel. Okay, now I'm gonna let go. There we go. And now I'm gonna twist the ends of the hair super lightly and gently, like she said, to give it like that soft twist kind of look. I'm gonna come back when I've got more of it done and kind of give you guys my overall opinion of this hairstyle. I think it looks super cute, but I think it also looks a lot easier said than done to do. So I'm gonna finish off basically the rest of my head. Oh God, see, look at this. I have this like loop here. I'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna make it look good and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so I'm back. Well, it's actually been a few days, but I'm back with my twists and I love the way they look. But I ran out of hair, so the back of my hair is not done, but I'm getting a pack shipped in today, so don't worry. But yeah, I love the way this looks, guys. It's just the few like comments that I would have is that I didn't expect to have this much hair on my head, but I have a big old head, so, and I still have to finish like the last few rows of my head. So I'm about to have a lot of twists on my head, but it's okay. Other thing is I have to work on tucking my hair. As you can see, like that is just not really cute, but I can't really seem to figure it out. But I mean, it is what it is right now. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like all down. And I have been wearing these for a few days, so if they're not super neat, that's why. And there's a few that I have to redo. Like this one on the front. I don't know what happened here, but I have to redo this one. Look guys, I love this hair, this Brazilian go-go curl. Like, I just love the way it looks, guys. And you can't really see how long it is, but this hair is down to past my waist. So like, I would say like butt length hair. It's so pretty. I just love the way the curls look. And on Bebe Michelle's video, she did relax the curls a little bit by like dipping them in water for like a second, like barely a second. But I found that like after wearing it for a while, the curls kind of naturally relax on their own, if that makes sense. So like I didn't feel the need to like dip them or whatever, but I love it, guys. Like, it's so cute. And I make this cute little reel on Instagram of like different styles that I do with this. So go follow me on BRIISANNA. Sorry, my Instagram is so confusing. So it's Bri, like BRI is AN and then Anna. So Bri is an Anna. BRIISANANNA. And then also follow me on Breezy's Puffs. Yeah, I have two separate Instagrams. I don't know, like one of them's supposed to be a hair one, but I've been doing hair on my normal one. Oh guys, also it's not super heavy, but if you use too much hair, it can be kind of heavy. So like I would say it's a little bit lighter than box braids. Like a little bit lighter than box braids. So yeah. If you want to see different styles that I do with this hair, like in depth, leave a comment down below, leave a like, so I know you want to see this video, because I have this video on different ways that I style my box braids and like I barely got any views. So like I don't even want to waste my time. If I don't get any comments, I'm not posting a video. So yeah. But anyways, that's a side note. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. If you have any questions about this hairstyle or how I did it, I will link Bebe Michelle's original video down below, and also the other video that kind of helped me to twist the hair into my hair. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K, so I'll help your girl out here. And hit that notification button so you never miss another video from me. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.